Hello everyone, welcome to day 5 of our STEM summer camp. I'm your camp counselor, Connie Young, and I'm a rising senior going to Liberty High School.
Hi everyone, I'm Emily Liu, and I'm also a rising senior going to Friends High School in Illinois. So the materials we need today for our hoop glider is a straw, some tape, a piece of paper, and some scissors.
So what you're going to do is, the first step is you're going to fold your paper. Not quite halfway, just a little bit less than halfway. So as you can see, I just folded it like this.
You should end up with a piece size like about this size.
So now grab your scissors and cut along the crease that you just made. So you should end up with 2 pieces of paper. Put aside the smaller piece and using the larger piece, fold it 3 times. So you're going to fold it down a little bit, like this. And then you're going to fold it down again. And then one last time. So if you open it up, you should be able to see 3 little rectangle pieces. And so grab your scissors and cut along the creases. So you'll end up with 3 equally sized pieces of paper.
After you finish cutting, you should have 3 small rectangles. Now set 2 aside and take just 1. Now you're gonna make your rectangle into a circular shape by folding it, like this. Now you just need to use some tape and secure the end so that it doesn't come apart. So we're just gonna fold it into a circular piece and then tape it.
So when you're done with that, now grab your other 2 pieces of paper and tape them together like this. So you should end up with 1 long strip of paper. Now grab some more tape and then the same way you made a circle with this piece, you're going to make a circle with these 2 pieces of paper.
And now you have 1 large circle and 1 small circle. Now our next step is to take our straw. We want to tape our circular pieces of paper that we just made onto the straw. So first take your large piece of paper and large circle and tape it on the straw like this, so that the straw is on the inside of the hoop glider. So we're gonna take some of the tape and tape it into.
So make sure it's secure. So if you need more than 1 piece of tape, then go ahead and use 2 pieces or more.
Now we do the exact same thing to the other side. So take your small piece and tape it onto the straw.
If you think that your straw is a little bit too long, then you can cut it.
And make sure the ends of the straw don't come out of the hoop.
So make sure when you throw it, the smaller circle is in front.
You can also throw it from really high up and it'll spiral downwards.
So thank you guys so much for watching our tutorial. I hope you guys had fun making your hoop gliders.
See you guys next time. Bye!
Bye!